Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the privacy warning notification when you try to save your Excel file. If you use macros or if you sometimes write VBA automation like myself, sometimes when you save your Excel file, let me try to do a Control S, and you're going to get a notification pop up like this. Be careful, part of your document may indicate personal information that can be removed by the document inspector. That just means that Excel is warning you in your Excel workbook, there are some personal information that they recommend you to remove. However, this function doesn't always work correctly. So in this case, in my Excel workbook, I only have, let me open my VBA window real quick. Oops, this is the new look. So the new interface that I'm not still yet used to it. So here in my Excel file, I have a user form that is causing the privacy notification warning. And to disable that, so you want to go to File, and then want to go to Options. So on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down all the way to Trust Center. Here, you want to click on Trust Center Settings. And here's where you can configure your security settings. Want to go down to Privacy Options. So this is where you configure how Excel is going to evaluate your privacy settings. And here under the document specific settings, you want to uncheck the remove personal information from file properties on save. So uncheck that and click on OK. And click on OK again. Now this time when you try to save your Excel file, so let me just go to File and Save. And Excel won't display the warning notification anymore. Alright guys, so this is how you disable the privacy warning notification, and hopefully this is helpful. If you like this video, please give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.